Hey, what's up everybody? Back with another video, and today I have my favorite breakfast sandwich of all time. Fried jammy eggs, pepperoni, provolone cheese, sun-dried tomatoes. Y'all, this is a loaded breakfast sandwich, so if you are into it, sit back. Let's go. Alright, so first we're going to start off on our toast. So I'm just using my cast iron skillet with a little bit of butter. And that's how I'm toasting my bread today, y'all. So I'm just going in with 2 slices of whole wheat bread. Just going to flip them over a couple of times in that butter to make sure that it gets soaked all up. Then just toast it on the stove on about medium-high heat for a couple of minutes per side. And this is what that toast is looking like. But if you want to do it this way, make sure you are paying attention to it, because this toast will definitely burn on you. Promise you that. So once the toast is all ready to go, just remove it from the cast iron skillet. If you want to, you can wipe it clean. You know, I did that. And after that, y'all, just go in with some butter, because now it is time to just quickly bring these sun-dried tomatoes up to temp. So that is a couple of tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes. You can find them from any grocery store. You can find them canned. You can find them just in like plastic containers. However you find them, just use them that way, y'all. And like I said, I just sliced them up, and I'm placing it in my cast iron skillet with a little bit of butter, just swirling it around for about a minute, 2 minutes on medium heat, just really to bring it up to temperature. Like I said, you're not really trying to cook these, because again, they will burn on you as well. So one of the stars of this breakfast sandwich is pepperoni. You might be thinking, like, why is he putting pepperoni on an egg sandwich? Like, and I mean, I might be saying the same thing too, but I actually grew up doing this, and I don't know why, it's so good. And I mean, I guess the pepperoni is similar to bacon, so I guess that's kind of why it makes sense. But anyway, y'all, I'm just frying up this bacon on about medium heat for a couple of minutes. And I don't really like to flip them over, because that just gives them a tendency to burn. And if you can already guess, I don't like burning things. It's kind of like a theme with this meal right here. Don't burn your stuff. Now, y'all, take the pepperoni out, leaving that oil. And now I'm just going in with some eggs. I'm going to fry 3 all together, but I'm just doing the first 2 right now. So just fry your eggs however you want to. You can fry them hard as hell, or you can just have them sunny side up. I kind of went somewhere in the middle, because I still want the egg to be kind of jammy a little bit, but I don't want that yolk to be runny and running all down my arm when I'm eating it, because that's too much, and we don't want all that in this sandwich. So I'm just going to season it with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of this everything bagel seasoning. I love it. It tastes just like an everything bagel, with the onion powder or the onion flakes, and like the garlic and the poppy seeds, and a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. It's so good, y'all. So as you see, I'm just going in with a little bit more butter, just to really get these eggs frying up how I like them. I like a whole lot of extra excess butter in my skillet whenever I am frying up some eggs, because I just feel like it just helps them get a lot more crispier, and just the brown butter kind of flavor goes so well with eggs, and you really just can't beat it. So cook your eggs however you like them. I cooked them on this side for about 2 minutes, and then I just flipped them over, cooked them on the other side for like 30 seconds to a minute. I didn't really cook them too long, because like I said, I want the eggs to still be kind of like jammy and soft in the middle, not just dry and tough and all of that. We're not trying to have these eggs or yolks like we just boiled the eggs, okay? So just season it with the exact same seasonings on this other side, and then let them finish off cooking. And while I do that, I'm going to go in with a slice of provolone cheese over each of the fried eggs, because provolone cheese and with the tomatoes and the pepperoni really kind of like gives me that, I don't know, like pizza kind of vibe, if you will. I'm not really sure what I was going for here, but the provolone cheese works well. You can use whatever kind of cheese you have, though. I believe it'll work just the same. It'll taste just fine. So use whatever kind of cheese you have, even sliced American cheese. All right, you don't have to get all fancy on this dish, y'all. So as you can see, I went in with that last egg, the 3rd egg that I'm going to use. So same seasonings. Then after 30 seconds, I'm just going to like beat it in the middle, just to get that yolk to start running a little bit, because we're going to add in these sun-dried tomatoes that we toasted all up. And it's going to be kind of like a layer in the middle, with like an eggy, tomatoey kind of layer in the middle, just to kind of like break up the monotony of those 2 regular fried eggs with the provolone cheese on the top. Again, do it however you want to. You can just sprinkle the sun-dried tomatoes on there separately, but I wanted to just have them really just cooked inside another fried egg. You know, why not? Just why not? So after that egg finished cooking, I removed it from the heat, and now it is time to build up this sandwich. So I am just piling on both of those fried eggs, putting some pepperonis on both sides of the toast. Then I'm laying over that fried egg with the sun-dried tomatoes in the middle. Now flip it all over, and boom, this sandwich is basically complete, y'all. This thing is so good. That bread is so buttery and so toasted. And now I have to just cut into it, y'all, because I need y'all to see what this sandwich was looking like on the inside. You have to. Now, boom, look at that cheese pool. It's a little small, little baby cheese pool. But it's the little cheese pool nonetheless, okay, y'all? But yeah, this is what this sandwich is looking like. So good. That egg is nice and tender on the inside, still kind of cooked on the outside, y'all. And it is the perfect consistencies, the perfect doneness that I was going for. And I don't know why I'm just smashing that sandwich together like that. I don't know why. Forgive me, y'all. I guess I was trying to make sure that none of the egg would be running out. And hey, I did my thing, so it was, I was successful. But y'all, I'm just biting into it now. Y'all need to see all that. Y'all already know. If you want to know how it tastes, definitely try to make it yourself. But I really hope you enjoyed this easy, quick breakfast sandwich. Let me know in the comments how you think, or what you thought of it, I should say. And let me know what other kind of recipes you like to see me make, y'all. You can hit that like button. You can even subscribe to the channel. And you can share the video. And y'all, I will see you in the next video. Later.